what's in your GrowUp nutrients. There's macro and micronutrients that we have a proprietary formula that we use. All of the macronutrients are nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Some of the micronutrients are calcium, iron, sulfur, all the important things that your plants are needing for growth. Adding the nutrients keep the leaves healthy, keeps your root structure healthy, and allows your plants to grow 3 to 5 times faster than traditional gardening and farming. The reason why this is important for hydroponics is this is your plant food. All of your plant roots and your plant structure and root structures gets the food and nutrients that it needs through the water. So the macronutrients that are in our GrowUp nutrient fertilizer, it's the same as what you would find at your local garden store, and it's specially blended to work for all of the plants that we provide on a monthly basis. Let's just say you never add the solution. What happens? First of all, your plants are not going to grow properly, but your plant leaves will start turning colors. The taste is not going to be there. All the important nutrients that are found in the plants will be absent and eventually will die. And just a reminder, don't worry about having to become that scientist yourself. The GrowUp nutrients are provided in your monthly subscription of your grow boxes. No, you cannot buy the GrowUp nutrients separate. Have more questions about home hydroponics? Visit us at produceforall.com at our educate page, where we answer all questions about hydroponics.